Well, this is when I usually, third phase, I come in and comb my hair with that brush. Sweetie had, maybe he's getting back at it because that's what I use. Get that off. That's what I used to give her a bath. But I let her touch the shaver earlier. Okay, now I'm starting to got the water running so I can comb my hair. This is what she usually does. There it goes. She always likes to. That's not cold water, that's hot water. Where'd you go, sweeties? There she is. You gonna help me comb my hair, sweeties? Well, she's had it. She's ready to move on. So I'm gonna comb my hair and go downstairs.